Frustrated with CPAP? The headgear, the mask, the air pressure, the noise, the new car smells? All these distractions arouse your central nervous system, the opposite of what you need for sleep. Desensitization overcomes this arousal, but the process takes so long that many people just give up on CPAP, even though untreated sleep apnea causes exhaustion, heart disease, high blood pressure, and even diabetes. That's why you need Pur-Sleep. Pur-Sleep has helped thousands of people become desensitized to their CPAP and enjoy a true good night's sleep. Human olfactory sensors are directly connected to the brain's emotional core, the limbic system. Pleasant smells automatically calm down the subconscious mind, and because the conscious mind can only focus on one thing at a time, other distractions just can't compete with good smells. This is referred to as cognitive distraction. The brain also quickly adjusts to pleasant smells, a process called accommodation. In this way, your mind will perceive the equipment as normal and non-threatening. Aromatics also make spaces feel larger, providing comfort to people who might feel claustrophobic or restrained by their equipment. The Pur-Sleep diffuser lightly scents the air as it's being drawn into your CPAP. With a line of 15 aromatics, you're sure to find one that you enjoy. Close your eyes and feel your frustrations melt away as you revel in the light, pleasant smell of our all-natural, pure aromatics. Enjoy the benefits of effective CPAP therapy with Pur-Sleep.